Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to learn number bases, where we'll be looking at how to convert to base 10. So without further ado, let's begin. So let's start with an example. We are to convert 1120 base 5 to base 10. Okay, so this is the question we have: to base 10 or base 10 numeral. So to convert any number to base 10, this is what we do. So in this case, we have 1120 base 5. So the first thing we do is we use each number to multiply the base. So we have 1 multiplied by 5. So the first one over here multiplied by the base, which is 5, plus the second one multiplied by 5, plus the 2 multiplied by the base, which is 5, and then plus the last number or the last digit, which is 0, multiplied by the base, which is 5 over here. Now after we are done multiplying like that, what we do is we give powers to the base. Okay, so the 5 5 5 5 we have over here, we give them powers starting from our right to our left. So we start from 0, so it becomes power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3. So from here, all we have to do is to expand each bracket and then add the results that we get. So over here, I have 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3 will give me 125. So I have 125 here, plus into bracket 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 will give me 25. Then plus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 1 will give me 5, plus into bracket 0 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 0 is 1, or any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So over here I have 1 multiplied by 125, that will give me 125, plus 1 multiplied by 25 will give me 25, plus 2 multiplied by 5 will give me 10, plus 0 multiplied by 1 will give me 0. So I have over here 125 plus 25, that will give me 150, plus 10, and that will give me 160 base 10 as my answer. So therefore it means 1120 base 5 is equal to 160 or 160 base 10. All right, let's have a look at another example. So we are to convert 1230 base 5 to base 10 numeral. Okay, so let's proceed to look at our solution. So we have 1203 base 5 to base 10 numeral. So let's do that. So we have I have 1203 base 5, and this will be equal to 1 multiplied by the base, which is 5, plus 2 multiplied by the base, which is 5, plus 0 multiplied by the base, then plus 3 multiplied by the base. As usual, we give the bases powers starting from the right to the left. So we have 0, 1, 2, and 3 over here. So we have 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3 will give me 125, plus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 will give me 25. So plus 0 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 1 is 5, plus 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. So I have over here 1 multiplied by 125 will give me 125, plus 2 multiplied by 25 will give me 50, 0 multiplied by 5 will give me 0, and then 3 multiplied by 1 will give me 3. So if I add all this, I will get 178 base 10 as my answer. All right, let's have a look at another example. So we are to convert 10011 base 2 to base 10 numeral. Okay, so let's proceed to look at the solution to this problem. So over here we have 100112 to base 10. So we do the usual. So 1 multiplied by the base, which is 2 in this case, then the first 0 multiplied by the base plus the second 0 multiplied by the base plus 1 multiplied by the base plus the last 1 multiplied by the base. So we start giving powers to the base from the left to the right. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have here 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, plus another 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1, which is 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0, which is 1. So from here I have 1 multiplied by 16 is 16, plus 0 multiplied by 8 is 0, 0 multiplied by 4 is 0, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, and then 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So I have here 16 plus 2, which is 18, plus 1 is 19. So my result or my answer is 19 base 10. So 10011 base 2 is equal to 19 base 10. All right, so let's have a look at another similar question in base 2 as well. So we are to convert 10010 base 2 to base 10. All right, so we do the usual. So 1 multiplied by the base, which is 2, plus 0 multiplied by the base, plus 0 multiplied by the base, plus 1 multiplied by the base, plus 0 multiplied by the base. So we do the numbering. So given powers, so 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from here we have 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4 will give me 16, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, plus 0 multiplied by 1. So from here we have 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. Okay, so our result over here will be 16 plus 2, which is equal to 18 base 10. So therefore 10010 base 2 is equal to 18 base 10. Right, so let's have a look at one final example and then we end this tutorial. So we are to express 245 base 6 as a base 10 number, or as a number in base 10. All right, so this is very easy. You can pause the video, go ahead and solve this example, and then compare your answer with mine. All right, so let's write the solution to this problem. So 245 base 6 will be equal to 2 multiplied by the base, which is 6, plus 4 multiplied by the base, which is 6, plus 5 multiplied by the base, which is 6. So we give powers to the base starting from our right to left. So we have 0, 1, and 2. So we have here 2 multiplied by 6 squared will give me 36, plus 4 multiplied by 6 raised to the power 1 will give me 6, plus 5 multiplied by 6 raised to the power 0 will give me 1. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by 36 will give me 72, plus 4 multiplied by 6 will give me 24, plus 5 multiplied by 1 will give me 5. So 72 plus 24 plus 5 will give me 101. 101 base 10 as my final answer. So 245 base 6 is equal to 101 base 10 as my final answer. So thank you so much for watching. This is how we convert any number in another base to base 10. We just use each individual digits in the number, you multiply it with the base, and then you give powers to the base from the left to right, and then you sum the products that you get, and that will give you your result in base 10. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be looking at more about number bases. Bye bye.